What's up, fishing fam? Today it's your boy Aaron back at it again. Now I just got a package from Temu and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. First, I got this new vest. I can show you guys a bunch of cool stuff. I can actually take you guys fishing with me now, and it mounts itself just like a GoPro. Now you can basically see like what I'm doing with my hands and such. So the next thing we got is this beautiful bait caster right here. It's really nice. Got this at Temu for not that much money. It reels nicely, it casts nicely. I mean, just look at it. That was not supposed to happen. Let me just tighten this line back up. Now, other than that right there, it casts beautifully. I don't know how to fix this thing. Oh my gosh, it did it again. I didn't even send it 2 feeds, big bro. Okay, guys, let me just check. Alright, there we go. I got it to cast one time without it backlashing. I still have to set the stuff and stuff, but whenever I go fishing, this thing is going to be beautiful. So anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys leave a like and subscribe. Cannot wait to take this out fishing. Love you guys, fishing fam. Goodbye.